Hello and welcome to our guide on transforming your garden into a stunning outdoor oasis. Today, we'll explore popular interior design ideas for your garden using a variety of structural components. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about pathways. Paths not only guide you through your garden but also add charm and character. Whether you choose gravel, stone, or brick, a well-designed pathway enhances the overall aesthetics of your outdoor space. Patios and decks are essential for outdoor entertaining and relaxation. They serve as extensions of your indoor living space, providing a perfect spot for dining al fresco or lounging with family and friends. With various materials and designs available, you can create a patio or deck that suits your style and needs. Arbors and pergolas add vertical interest to your garden while providing support for climbing plants like roses, wisteria, or jasmine. These structures not only create shade but also define different areas within your garden, adding depth and dimension to the overall design. Gazebos are picturesque focal points in any garden. Whether you're seeking shelter from the sun or simply want to enjoy the outdoor scenery, a gazebo offers a cozy retreat. You can personalize it with comfortable seating, lighting, and even a fire pit or fireplace for chilly evenings. Fences and trellises are not only practical for privacy and security but also serve as design elements in your garden. You can train vines or espaliered plants to grow along them, adding texture and color to your outdoor space. Plus, they're perfect for creating intimate nooks or hiding unsightly areas. Retaining walls and raised beds are excellent solutions for landscaping sloped terrain or adding depth to flat areas. They help prevent soil erosion, create visual interest, and provide opportunities for gardening. You can plant flowers, herbs, or even vegetables in raised beds, turning your garden into a productive and beautiful space. Water features like ponds, fountains, or waterfalls bring a sense of tranquility and serenity to your garden. The soothing sound of running water creates a peaceful atmosphere, while sculptures or statues add artistic flair and personality. Together, they elevate your garden design to a whole new level. Outdoor lighting is essential for enjoying your garden after dark and enhancing its nighttime beauty. Whether you prefer subtle pathway lights, dramatic uplighting for trees and structures, or cozy string lights for ambience, lighting transforms your garden into a magical retreat. Benches and seating areas are must-have elements for relaxation and socializing in your garden. Pair them with a fire pit or fireplace, and you have the perfect setup for cozy evenings outdoors. Imagine roasting marshmallows, sharing stories, and enjoying the warmth of the fire under the starry sky. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches. Planters filled with flowers or greenery add pops of color and texture, while edging defines garden beds and pathways. Rockeries create natural focal points, while awnings or canopies provide shade and shelter. And let's not overlook sheds or storage solutions for keeping your gardening tools and equipment organized and accessible. And there you have it. With these popular interior design ideas for your garden, you can transform it into a breathtaking outdoor sanctuary that reflects your style and personality. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.